Good morning. Okay, that's weird. I did not notice this. But anyways, good morning. We're missing a screen. Happy Thursday. Um, we don't have much news today. Um, yeah, we're really missing a screen. Don't know what's happening here. I'll have to look into this. It's like fully gone. Okay, we have to work around that. Basically, you guys won't see order flow today. Um, yeah. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's just move forward. I'll fix this after the stream. Okay, so let's start looking at the 1 day. So what I saw from yesterday is that um we moved to near all-time highs and selling just got stronger and stronger. Um News was, excuse me, wow. It's like a minute in. Okay. So news was stronger and we were not able to really uh like buyers got exhausted and we didn't get to push higher than expected, um and we just sold off. uh we're back to the range. It's not anything ridiculous, it's just simply back in the middle of the range. But it was a good, like, we manipulated higher, cleared some liquidity, and now we manipulated lower and cleared some liquidity. So like it could be a very choppy day simply just because we only had initial jobless claims today, but tomorrow is the unemployment rate. Um, so to expect some crazy move is unlikely. But anyways, that's the 1 day. Now let's go to the 4 hour and 1 hour. So here, like I said, like we had a nice rally higher, and then sellers just sold off, and we really retraced more than like basically the whole move. And then we were consolidating, and we'll see what happens. Okay. So it is unfortunate that you can't see order flow today, but I'll just have to pres- describe what I see, and then after that I'll fix why did my Mac do that. Anyways, so the 15 minute and 30 minute, yes, the same idea. We've been hugging the 200 EMA on the 50 minute, even on the 30 minute. So we're in a tight range. Let's see if we break out of it, or we break lower, or we just continue to chop. Only time will tell. So let's see what happens there. Okay, so now I'll log in. I don't see any valley areas from other days in the way. Ooh, wow, it's a pretty bullish opening. Yeah, we had some liquidity lower. There's some liquidity here too. I think the market's hunting the pre-market low. It's very close to it. Divergence on the opening too. Hmm. Yeah. I don't know what's happening there. We'll need to look into this. Okay, new low. I think we cleared pre-market low. No, about to. Now we did. No? What? So close. Oh, there's a lot of liquidity lower, which I wish you guys were able to see. A lot of liquidity lower. Complete divergence too. So it's interesting to see ES completely like consolidate with somewhat of a PO3 structure, and then we just have Nasdaq selling off. Um, we basically cleared pre-market lows. And the 1 day structure, we're both bearish. Yeah. Yeah, really clearing. Yeah, very. It's pretty heavy right now. Um, okay. Let's just try to. Okay, I mean, we cleared. Okay, we're about to clear it. I mean, we're close to it, but it's also still a bit lower. I'm not gonna admit. I'm gonna say. I mean, let's just like look at that. My basically number one strategy. Yeah, I could play. Liquidity is not really lower anymore. Buyers are showing some strength here. That was a reaction to value area low. Oh no, I'm out. This is confusing. Okay. Okay, that was a weird fill, not gonna lie. Anyways, that happens. That was a winner though. Because of the limit in and it was still filled at where I want to get filled. I'm very curious to see how that played out, like on the count, like what am I gonna see number wise? Um, so that's that. So we'll take a look in that, and after this, I'm just gonna immediately try to fix this. Like, why the hell can you guys not see the MacBook screen? Not even my camera. You can't see anything. It's just a black screen. Can you hear me? Yes, you can. Okay. So I'm gonna just open my trading account. Bring it back here. So, oh wow, I was slipped. That's surprising. This is my big. That's funny because this is my biggest winner that I had. I mean, which is funny. It's funny because I trade 1500, so I never change my size or like what I'm looking for. It's just that wow, this has never happened where it's exactly 1500. It's always 1400 or something like that. So that's I'm happy. I'm happy about that. So yeah, I mean, it was a good edge. Simply, my idea was that simply we were sorry. Okay, so we were selling off pretty aggressively. The divergence was weird. That was a little weirdness, but then ES failed to hold anymore, and it was starting to move with NQ. Then I saw value area. Um, I was gonna take the trade to value area high. It would have totally worked. The only reason why I didn't was simply because it was not 9:45, so I was a little bit worried about that. That's the only reason I didn't take the trade. If I took that trade, I would have been. But I mean, it's not a big deal. Like I'm supposed to take a trade after 9:45, even though it was 9:44. You know, at the end of the day, if you slip on your rules like by that little bit about amount, it can still be detrimental. So we don't do that. Um, so then I got into the trade, and I had to quickly get in, and it was a limit order, which is good because if it was a stop, I don't think I would have got basically filled in. But I got in and I played it to POC, yesterday's POC, clean setup, very similar to like majority of my trades, just because I just love playing this strategy, just moving to those value areas to clear the liquidity. It has a high win rate. uh I'm not finding a problem with it. Yes, at times, the market does make some tricks. you know that's part of it. It's a probability game. And I have to just accept that. Like I think my probability, like, my what is my win rate? So this month. Oh, really? 65? I'm surprised. 01 to 08. Oh, I think I know why. Because it's breaking the trades. I don't know why it does. I mean, I understand why it does it, but it messes up the chart. Like the fact that because I get filled in at, like, for example, I do 75 micros, I'll get filled 30, 15, like something like that. So, that's why it shows like that. But I feel like it would be higher. Anyways, still not bad, but I'm just surprised because it doesn't make sense. Wait, this is from '01. Yeah. So, did I not just take? I took one. I took one loss, no? Now I'm confused. It's just because I'm pretty sure I just took one loss of the new year. Jan 1st I traded. Oh no, Jan 1st was a holiday, sorry. Jan 2nd was a winner, I believe. Pretty sure. I'll just quickly check. Even though it doesn't really matter, just quickly yeah, it was a winner. So then Monday was a loss, Tuesday, Wednesday was a winner, and Thursday is a winner. Like that makes no sense. So basically, if you take the how many trades did I take? 5 trades, and I only had one loss. Yeah, that does not make sense. It's just because it's breaking the orders, which is silly. It's really silly because it's messing up my win rate. Huh. Yeah, it's this is so wrong because it doesn't make sense. Anyways, it is what it is. It's I mean it's annoying because it's wrong by a lot, but I mean it is what it is. I'm sorry, I'm repeating myself. So yeah, you see here the trades were broken much less, just a little bit less, and you can see the win rate was 80%. So it's interesting, very interesting. Okay. Anyways, that's it. Hope everyone had fun. And everyone had a good day. I hope you continue to have a good day. And again, if anyone says any comment, has anything to say, I will fully like take my time to read it and implement whatever you want, whatever you had to say, and do it. Because I'm ready to help and I want to help. So, anyways, have a great day, guys. Bye.